At exactly 3:17 a.m., someone knocked on his door.
Jake froze. He lived alone. No neighbors, no visitors. Ever.
Knock, knock. Then his phone buzzed. A message from his mom.
"Don't open the door. I'm calling you." Jake frowned. His mom passed away 3 years ago.
The knocking got louder. "Jake, open the door." It was her voice.
Shaking, he walked closer, heart pounding, hands trembling. Slowly, he opened the door.
No one was there. Just darkness. Then his phone buzzed again. A new message. "I told you not to open it."
Behind him, the door slowly creaked shut. Knock, knock.